That was arguably the worst gym session ever. I didn't go to the gym for 2 weeks and yeah, felt terrible. I only did like 3 exercises and yeah, super tired. School, get some drinks. It's so hot, man. And then order. It's actually really nice to, come down here at Newton Food Center at this hour, which is not really crowded. There's not a lot of smoke from all the satay shops, all the chicken wing shops, so it's quite pleasant actually. Nice. Cheers, guys. Anyway, I just went out to buy this CMF Phone 2 Pro. Mainly this is gonna be my content phone where I'll be managing a few of my clients' accounts and some of my own social media accounts. And yeah, I just thought that having a different phone, separate phone will do. I have no idea. It felt weird talking to the phone, so yeah, I just bought this mainly to put all the accounts in this phone, manage it with this phone and keep it separate from my personal phone, because yeah, I've been getting crazy notifications and yeah, there's just too many and it's just too distracting for me. So yeah, it's gonna be a work phone for social media for me. I will have clients account, my own personal social media, and what else. Anyway, I'll be releasing some of my art piece soon, which I will share with you guys. So yeah, here we go. မှားလားမှန်လားအကုန်လုံးတူတူထိုင်ပြီးတော့မှဆုံးဖြတ်ပြီးတော့မှဘယ် idea အကောင်းဆုံးလဲဆိုပြီးတော့အကောင်းဆုံး idea ကိုမှသူတို့ကဘယ်လိုမျိုးပေါ့နော်သူများကိုဘယ်လိုပြောလို့ရမလဲဆိုရင်ကတော့ brand တစ်ခုကအမြဲတမ်းရောင်းမယ်ဆိုရင်လူတိုင်းကဟိုကဖြစ်လာမှာစိတ်ပြက်ပြီးတော့ဒီ page ကြီးကတော်ရုံတန်အောင်ဆိုရင်သူတို့မလိုအပ်တော့လို့ရှိရင်သူတို့မလာတော့ဘူးပြန်လာ Hi. Anyway, came out of the house to do some studying, and yeah, gonna meet Jun later on. Haven't seen him for a while now. And yeah, look at this Starbucks view. Okay.
show you guys the one and only waterfall in Singapore. Right? How beautiful is that? Woo! So let's go. Whoa. Sports day. Whoa. 5 years old running. That's a good start, man. That's a good age to start. Udah. Ha, 보이죠? 보이죠? 아.
Cái crew cả đồ nhà này. Để crew để không qua mà làm gì.
Second beer. This one is actually really good. Guava flavored beer. You are gonna be in a lot of the videos.
Oh, is it?
I think so. They requested for.
But cam, of course, is the best. Yeah. Can, how much webcam again?
Please, do the honor. That's a lot, bro.
Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog, and yeah, I just want to share with you guys a story. So this whole vlog, right, I've just been uploading all the things that I do for work and just randomly recording stuff, and yeah, bringing you guys along on like behind the scene of what I really do, and not really talking much. Honestly, I never really vlog. I just record something and then just park the camera somewhere. But anyway, since this vlog is about like showing you guys how entrepreneurship is like, recently I had a conversation with a friend who's a young lad. He wants to quit his 9 to 5, you know, after 9 months of working, and then it's his first time working, by the way. He just graduated, so he's pretty young. Yeah, he wanna quit the 9 to 5. He see the glamorous side of being an entrepreneur, doing, you know, your own thing on your own term, working on something that you like. And yeah, this is a message for him if he's watching, or I mean anyone who can relate, because I personally went through, you know, both 9 to 5. I think I worked for like 4 years under someone, which in something that I actually love. But yeah, I decided to pursue entrepreneurship, doing something, you know, different, more fun, you know, all that fun stuff. And yeah, like I said, I was in his shoe 4 or 5 years ago when I was, you know, looking at all the fun stuff that, you know, all the entrepreneurs are doing online. And yeah, it was just quite inspiring to me. And then yeah, it was recently that I made a switch, and it was quite tough, honestly. I mean, it was crazy. There was one of the main thing that I can share with you guys, I mean, we share with him if he's watching, is that, you know, this journey is really tough. I never thought that it would be this tough. It takes a lot out of you. Yeah, there were countless number of times that I want to quit. Like, there was countless time I cried. There was countless time I just didn't know what I was doing, or if what I'm doing is right, wrong, no idea, right? But finally, after I think 1 full year, I can, you know, it's safe for me to say that I'm gonna be enjoying the fruits of my labor. But yeah, to get to this level, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not where I want to be yet, but to be this comfortable, to be this, you know, to, you know, reach to this certain level, it's still quite a lot of work, which I didn't expect it to be. But yeah, finally things are looking good. And yeah, can't wait to show you guys, you know, the fun side, the good side of being an entrepreneur, apart from what you guys see all the time, work. But yeah, it's about time I share with you guys a lot of things in the near future. But yeah, hopefully I can put this up within this year, so that I can, you know, keep producing more fun vlogs along the way. Because yeah, even though I'm like doing well with my other work, I think I'm doing a really terrible job putting up YouTube videos, quality YouTube videos. So yeah, now that I have a little bit of time, a little bit of freedom, a little bit of money, I think I will focus a little bit more back on the YouTube, so you guys will be seeing me more often, that's for sure. Anyway, I wish him all the best. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. There will be nights that you can't sleep. There will be nights that you feel like giving up, but it's all worth it, that's for sure. So yeah, go for it. He's still very young. Even if he fail, he can always go back to 9 to 5. So all the best, man. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Wow, I haven't done that in a while. Yeah. Bye guys.